Yeah, exactly. After facility and equipment, personal is the important aspect. That personal are the main carrier which brought the microbes into the clean room. So verifying that the person uh, would not carry any microorganism from outside to inside, we have do the personal monitoring, personal qualification, and train to them for the aseptic behavior inside the aseptic area. So that for that we have the plan for the personal monitoring. We have the frequency for its periodic verification. We have a training program that we mainly use. That means training is generally like that, not reading the SOP, not reading any booklets, not reading any guidance. We apply the practical training approach, like providing the video, like providing the some like providing the some flow charts, that how your movement is important into the aseptic area. Means if you don't monitor your movement in the aseptic area, then we will not assure about the integrity of the clean room is maintained. So for that, first thing is that personal monitoring is there by doing the finger dab, by taking the sample from their critical body parts. We send it for incubation and taking the result of all those things, so that we can get the assurance that personal does not carry any microorganism. Once they enter into the manufacturing aseptic area, then we have a clear cut guidance and presentation display inside the aseptic area, that they have to maintain their movement, they have to monitor their movement, which is not very much frequent, which is not fast. That slow movement is required inside the aseptic area, that their arms and elbows shall be in a very disciplined way, that it shall be hang in the air. That means it will not ingress any microorganism. Sitting is not allowed. Long term standing is not allowed in the aseptic area. Once they feel fatigueness or they feel tired, they came out from the aseptic area, take a break, and after that they again went into the aseptic area, so that the cleanliness of the clean room shall not be disturbed.
Mhm. What else is very important from the personnel aspect?
uh, Important is that cleanliness of the personnel, that person must maintain the hygienic condition. They means whatever the basic requirement of our personal hygiene, that daily bath is required. They shall not have any open wounds which may contaminate our area. That the complete body who is working in the aseptic area shall be covered. The gowning which they are using must be sterile. So we have again proper control on gowning, that only sterile gown shall be used by the person working in the aseptic area, and that sterile gown is kept in the control area, that is in grade C, sorry, grade B. So person taking off their street garment in grade C, enter into the grade B, where they pick up the sterile garments, wearing the sterile garments, sanitizing their hand, entering into the aseptic processing area. And that there is a clear cut instruction that the personnel shall not touch each and everything during the manufacturing. Only the things they are required to touch during the manufacturing, they are restricted to touch those equipments and accessories only.